In this video we will talk about how to link the activities. In previous video we created the activities. So first we will start from project start date. As per the project agreement we will fix the date as a project start milestone. We will go to the status bar and here we will assign 18 June as a start date. You can see here the symbol already mentioned the milestone, and project finish date we can say project will be finished on 17 July. Finish on or before. So we will add here project finish date 17 July. So our project start and project finish milestone already fixed. Now we will start to link the activities. Project start will be linked from its successor will be mobilization of manpower. We will double click or we will put this button to assign. Already you can see here mobilization of manpower is assigned as a successor. After that we will go to the manpower, mobilization of manpower, and we will assign its successor mobilization of office. Then we will close it. After that we will go to the next activity. After the manpower, mobilization and office, we will link it to shop drawing submittal. We will link, okay. Then shop drawing layout submittal will be linked from shop drawing layout approval. Details drawing submittal for civil will be linked from detail drawing approval for civil. Shop drawing submittal for finishing work will be linked from shop drawing approval for finishing work. Also submittal for the batch plan will be linked from mobilization of office. Double click. Then also it can be linked from submittal for steel bar, submittal for block work. Then it will be linked. Submittal for batch plant will be linked from approval for batch plant. Then submittal for steel bar will be linked approval for steel bar. Submittal for block will be linked approval for block. After that it will be linked from purchase order, PO for block work. Approval for batch plant is the last activity. After that we can link it from pouring concrete like lean concrete. Approval for steel bar will be linked PO for steel. Approval for block will be linked PO for block work. PO for block work will be linked steel block delivery. PO for steel will be linked steel delivery. PO for steel bar will be linked steel delivery. Steel delivery will be linked from steel binding for footing. Block delivery will be linked from block work. After that we have surveying and layout marking. This will be linked as a predecessor will be shop drawing layout approval. After that surveying and layout marking, its successor will be excavation. Excavation successor will be leveling and compaction. Leveling and compaction successor will be lean concrete. Then steel binding for footing. Then installation of shuttering. After that concrete pouring. After that removal of shuttering. After that steel binding for column. After steel binding of column, we have installation of shuttering and pouring concrete for column. Then backfilling. After that grade beam. After grade beam, steel binding for column for superstructure. Then installation of shuttering for column. Then pouring concrete for column. Removal of shuttering for column. Scaffolding for slab. Steel binding for slab. Pouring concrete for slab. Scaffolding removal. Then block work. Then plaster work. Then paint work. After paint, slab on grade. Skirting and doors and windows. After that we have snag list. After snag list, demobilization and handover. Now demobilization and handover we will link from project finish. Project finish will be linked from demobilization and handover. A snag list will be linked from completion of snag list. Doors and windows will be linked from construction completion. Now our activity sequence is completed successfully. In the next video we will talk about how to analyze the duration and how to create each activity duration. Thank you.